Absolutely beautiful day out there. Oh, but it's -5 degrees, which is somewhat unusual for the Lake District. Anyway, I was, as you can see, I'm working on the body of the car, right? And sometimes, or almost every time that we've had a 50, 75-year-old like this one car body on the side, and we start stripping it, stuff starts falling out of it, which is historical stuff, right? And this time, that has appeared. It's an old bottle opener. It's pretty knackered. I'm gonna see if I need my hand, but these usually, they might have an inscription or something, but oh shit, yeah, as I thought. Funny, right? What you'll find in these vehicles. See you later, mates. Oh yeah, focus.